Yeah, man. Original root stone, man, you know? Yeah. Yo, I tell you, yeah, we're ready to go rock the place in the Camel Bar, yeah? Seeing whole heap of reggae music and thing with the right in the center of Bournemouth. Yeah, so we're there to do a thing and rock the place. So the Asha and Steve over there, so watch them in them too. Like they dressed in the red in a red tonight. See that fire, two of them in a red. Red and grey, that's the two of them in a red. Yeah. Right, may I tell you, say, later on we have to Talawaga rock the place. So watch out. So with the right at the center of Bournemouth a Camel Bar. You see that? Camel Bar. You can't even see the sign good, but yeah, see that? Camel. Yeah. Yeah, man. So that will go on later on in the place. Seeing some wicked reggae music. See? We're there. We're there, yeah. Yeah. For real. Yeah.